This is the Rode VideoMic Go 2. This microphone is the second version of the original one and is possibly the best bang for buck mic you can possibly buy. This mic is also compatible with phones, computers, and of course, cameras. So here it comes. Well, that was a bit hard. Look at, we got more decals inside the box. Like, man, this box should have came like this. Oh, and here it is. The Rode VideoMic Go. Wow, this thing is light. We also get the mic arm. Oh, this is where the weight went. Ow, that's metal. We also got the cable, which instead of it being round like the Rode VideoMic Go, it's flat. Rode exclusive water packets that keep your mic from getting wet, and then the instructions. I cannot believe this is the Rode Mic Go 2. It's just so light. Does feel like plastic though, and this is of course metal. You do get some kind of a foam thing to help prevent wind, which is all right. And they got two little arrows right here that show you where you have to place your microphone. Oops, when you put it in. Don't drop it like me. Okay, this thing is a bit on the hard side to get put together because it's just so brand new. And there it is, it's on. All the weight is in the base. And this base right here, if you split these two off, gives you the ability to move it back and forth. So let's say I want to leave it right here. I tighten this one up and now it shouldn't move. There's the windsock. They use cardboard on it. That's interesting and new. Plug it into here, pass your wires through underneath. If you slip it through these little notches down here, your cord will just rest down here as you use the microphone. So this is the mic I'm currently using, which is the Rode VideoMic Go. Here it is compared to the Micro. It has two of the arms where if I hold this one right here, if I move this, it moves around quite a bit. And if I move this one, it does not want to move. Now time for a microphone test. This is the Rode VideoMic Go, the original, not the new one. Peter Parker picked a pack of pickled peppers. I don't even know if that considers a sound test. And this is the Rode VideoMic Go 2. Peter Parker picked a pack of pickled peppers. No idea if that's considered a sound test. Does the newer Rode VideoMics sound better than the old school original? I will say this. The mic is made out of plastic and the base is made out of metal. Polar opposites than how they used to do it with the VideoMic Go. The mic is made out of metal and the base is made out of plastic. No idea why they decided to flip-flop it, but it's what they decided to do. Hope this helps.